Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. Today we'll be solving the exemplar questions from matrices. So let's see. Now if a matrix has 28 elements, okay, then so we should understand it has 28 elements. What are the possible orders? So what is the concept here, students? Very simple. So if a matrix is of order, let's say a matrix is of order m cross n. So number of elements will be what? Number of elements will be just multiplication of them, m into n, correct? So m into n is equal to 28. So what are the best possible combinations, students? 128, 1 row, 28 column, 28 1, okay, 2 and what? 14, 14 and 2, students, just multiply, and 7 4 and 4 7, correct? Now again they asked, what if it has 13 elements? Now since it has 13 elements, now what will happen? M cross n will be equal to what? 13. So we don't have much factor for this. 1 13 and 13 1, correct? Clear? So the concept is what here, students? A matrix of the order m cross n has elements mn, okay? Now, so just you have to find the factors of mn, okay, whatever the values. So here 28. So what are the different factors? 128, 28 1, 240, 14 2, 7 4 and 4 7. You just multiply, you will be getting it, okay? For 13 case, 130 and 13 1, okay? Pretty simple question. Let's come to the next question. Question number 2, what they have given is, you have to find the order of the matrix, okay? If you can see, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. So 3 row and how many columns, students, okay? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 cross 3, very simple. Number of elements, if it is 3 cross 3, directly we have done. 3 into 3 is how much? 9 elements. Now they're telling us to write the element A23. So how will we write? Let's see it, okay? Now, so A23 will be nothing much. Let's increase the tip of the pencil, yeah. So A23 means what, student? Second row, third column. So we'll go second row and third column. What is it? This one. So what that is equal to x square minus y, correct? Now, coming to the next, A31, third row, first column. So this one, A31 is equal to 0. A12, so first row, second column, 1, correct? Now, any doubt, you can put up in the comment section, okay? You can also put up, contact us in the WhatsApp group and in the website also, okay? Now, coming to the next question. Very simple, you have to construct. Sometimes question comes on construction. Okay, this question a bit, okay. Now, so let's see how we construct. So it's a 2 cross 2. So what are the different elements, students? Let's write it down. A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. So what do you have to do? A11 will be what? First I'm showing for this. So 1 minus 2 into 1 whole square by 2. So basically what we have done, in place of I we put equal to 1 and in place of j we put j equal to 1. So what we got? 1 minus 2 is how much, students? Minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 and 1 by 2. Correct? Now, what about A12? So I won't show all of it. Just I'm showing you the pattern and then I'll put the answer. So you pause the video, solve it yourself, check with the answer. A12, 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay? Then whole square by 2. So 1 minus 4, that is 3, minus 3. So minus 3 square is 9. So 9 by 2. Clear? So now the rest you pause it here. The answer I'm just putting it up. Half 9 by 2, 0, 2. Okay. Coming to the second one. Again same thing. So we'll first try to find A11. It is mod. So what is the property of the mod, students? The property of the mod is whatever is inside, it will bring out positive only. If you bring mod of minus 3, it will come as 3. If it is mod of 3, it will come as 3. Okay. So minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So what we got? Mod of minus 2 plus 3. So that is equal to 1 only. So 1. Okay. So that way again you can do. We are writing 1. Any other, let's say I'm doing the last one. A22. So mod of minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So what we are getting? Minus 4 plus 6. So basically that is equal to mod of 2. So that is 2. Okay. So that is 2. So what do you have to do? Rest find the answer yourself. Pause the video, find it out. The answer will be this one. Coming to the next question. Now in this question what is given is A is equal to B. The matrix A is equal to matrix B. Now we know when two matrices are equal, when equality holds, what it does means each and every element are equal. Each and every element are equal. Now here a lot of students sometimes they do mistake. Okay, so watch it very carefully. Okay, every element are equal. So first we solved this one. We have taken the first. So A plus 4 is equal to 2A plus 2. Pretty simple. You can directly solve A is equal to 2. Nothing doubt about it. What about B? So let's say I'm taking this part down one and solving it. So B square minus 5B is equal to minus 6. When you bring it this side, B square minus 5B plus 6 equal to 0. Now you already know how to do the factors. If somebody doesn't know how to do the middle term factor, put it on the comment section. We'll make a video on that. Okay. We'll take 5 to 10 different questions, tough ones also, and we'll make a small short video for you. Now, so B square minus 3B minus 2B minus plus 6. So we'll get B minus 3 and B minus 2. Okay. So B got two values, 2 and 3. But do check it also. Okay. So what is the other equation of B? B square plus 2 is equal to 3B. Now if I put B equal to 2, student, what I'll get? 6 equal to 6. That's correct. So B equal to 2 is valid. If I put 3, then I'll get 9 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 11, is it equal to 9? No. So this value is rejected. So what are the values? A equal to 2 and B equal to 2, students. Be very careful on this part. Okay. Let's see the next question. Now again they have given you have to find x plus y, 2x minus 3y. Very simple. Just add it up here in since it is a exemplar question, so I'm adding and all doing. Okay. And you already know for matrix addition what it has to be. I'm just giving you the key pointers. The order has to be same. For addition, what has to be same? Order has to be same. In exam, we won't add each and everything. We'll just add the first element, check and do the option checking. Okay. So here just answer, I'll write it down for you all so that you, you try to do it on your own. You try to do it by yourself. If you're not able to, if any doubt, do put it in the comment section. Okay. We'll show it. Now, what will be the answer of this? If you add 5, 2, minus 2, 12, 0 and 1. Okay. That is the first one. What about second one, sir? Again, see, 2x, you already know what is 2x. Whenever we multiply a scalar quantity to a matrix, each and every element is multiplied. Means whenever I write 2, this 2 is multiplied to this, and this, all, each and every element. Okay. So 6, 10, 2, minus 4, minus 2 and minus 6. So same way, minus 3y I'll directly do it and then simply I'll add it. So minus 6, minus 3, 3, then minus 21, minus 6, minus 12. Okay. So if I add these two, what I'll get something around like this 0, minus 1, 1. You can pause the video, do it yourself and then just move on. Okay. Now third one, they have given that a matrix Z is there such that x plus y plus z is equal to a 0 matrix. Okay. So what are we going to do? We have to find Z. So Z is nothing but 0 matrix minus of x plus y. Okay. So it's basically minus of, because 0 matrix won't do anything, x plus y. So you already got, just take the negative of that. So answer will be minus 5, minus 12, minus 2, 0, 2 and minus 1. Okay. Clear. So you can do like this. Coming to the next question. Now they have given A, they have given B. They are telling you to find A plus B, A minus B and to check whether they are equal to A square minus B square. A lot of students, since algebraic identities we always remember and we have learned from such a long time, we apply directly without understanding, without thinking in the matrices section also. So do check, this is important because not always will work. Okay. So if I do A plus B, student, what I'll get? I'm writing directly answer 0, 0. Okay. 2, 1, you do it yourself, pause the video, do it and then you proceed. Okay. A minus B will be 0, 0, 2, 1. Now if I multiply A plus B into A minus B, okay. So what will happen? What I'll get is 0, 0, 0 and 5. Okay. Now if I do A square, I'll get something like 1, 1, 1, 2. And if I do B square, I'll get something like minus 1, 0, 0 and minus 1. Okay. You can pause the video, solve it yourself and do check it. Now A square minus B square, if I'll do, student, what I'll get is 2, 1, 1, 3. So which is not equal to this. So understand, very important, Okay, this algebraic identity you directly can't apply to the matrices. Okay, coming to the next question. Now again, here in this case, do you think we'll solve it the whole thing? No. What are you gonna do? We can use option checking when the options are there, but here in this simple cases, we'll take this equation, a square minus 3a minus 7i is equal to 0. What are you gonna do? Multiply with a inverse both sides. Okay, so a inverse dot 0. So what do we have? A square minus 3a minus 7i. Now a inverse into a and then dot a minus 3 into a inverse into a. We are multiplying this. Okay, this with this, this with this, and this with this, and minus 7 into a inverse into I, and this is equal to 0. Anything multiplied with 0 matrix. Okay, so a inverse into this is what, student? I, and I into a is what? Basically a, and this becomes what? Minus 3i, and this becomes minus 7 a inverse is equal to 0. So I'll send this 7a inverse that side. So 7a inverse is equal to basically a minus 3i, or a inverse we can say it as 1 by 7th of this whole thing, a minus 3i. So what you can do, just solve the matrix, you'll get the answer like 1 by 7. I'm not showing the whole working. 2, 3, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, clear? Now this is the answer if you're getting this all correct. If not, do put it in the comment section. Okay, coming to the next question. If find a if this into this equal to this. Okay, now first we need to understand how to do this question is, we have this, we have to know multiplication part. First, order of this 4 1 3. How many rows? 3 rows, students. And how many columns? We have 1 column. So for multiplication to be possible, it should have 1 into m, correct? And it is generating what, student? If you see 3 cross 3. So this m, we know that while multiplying, after multiplication, the new matrix that is found is of order 3 cross m. So m, and that is equal to 3 cross 3. So m has to be equal to what? 3, correct? So done. So 4 1 3, and this has to be, let's say a, I am taking x y z. Okay, 1 cross 1 row 3 column, and that is equal to, here if I see, minus 4 8 4 minus 1 2 1 minus 3 6 3. So if I multiply, what I'm gonna get? 4x. Simple. First row 1 row, okay, 1 column 4x. So 4x, then 4y, then 4z, x y z, 3x 3y 3z. Now just solve one only, any one. Okay, so 4x equal to what? 4x equal to minus 4. So x equal to what? Minus 1. So same way, y is equal to what? 2, and z is equal to just from 1 1. Done. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Only part is just you have to be a bit careful on this part. Okay, let's see the next question. Now find, if possible, find BA and AB. So the moment they say if possible means it can be, it cannot be also. Let's see. For matrix multiplication, A is what? 2 1 2 and 1 2 4. What is the order? How many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns? 3 columns. B is what? 4 1 2 3 and 1 2. How many rows? 3 rows. And how many columns, student? 1 and 2. 2 columns. So if I do AB, yeah, the column of first and the row of second is same, so it is possible. Okay, so I won't show you the multiplication part. Okay, so what you have to do is do the multiplication by yourself. I'll just show you the answer. Okay, pause the video, multiply yourself. Okay, very simple. So what is the matrix you will generate? 2 cross 2. So the answer will be, I'm just putting up 12 9 12 15. Okay, coming to the second part, let's say BA. So we know B is what? 3 cross 2 and A is what? 2 cross 3. So this is also possible. So we'll get a 3 cross 3. Okay. And what will be the answer of 3 cross 3? I'm just putting that up. So you multiply it. Okay. Any doubt? Do tell me. Okay. 4, 5 and 10. Now, so how we multiply? You already know. Take, just I'm showing 1. In this case, what do you say? We have 4 1 2 3 and 1 2. And this side we have 2 1 2 and 1 2 4. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll take this, take first row, first column, multiply, you will generate the first element. Okay, 4 2 is 8 and 1 9. Okay, then first row, second column will give you the second element. First row, third column will give you the third, and that same way you have to proceed. Second row, first column will give you 2 1. Okay, So like that you proceed, you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. A is given as, the matrix is given 2, 4, 0, 3, 9, 6, and B to us is given as 1, 4, 2, 8, 1, 3. Okay, students. Now they're telling first, is AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose? So we know this is correct. So let's check it. We have to check. So what are we gonna do? Multiply AB. So if you multiply AB, you will get simple something like that: 10, 40, 27 and 102. I'm not showing the multiplication. Transpose it, students. You will get, what is it, 10, 27, 40 and 102. If you have doubt, do put it in the comment section. We'll solve it. Now, what about B dash? Take transpose B dash. Okay. So B dash will be what? The row will become column. So 1, 4. Second row will become second column, 2, 8. And third row will become third column. Simple. Okay. And A dash will be same thing. Take the first row, make it first column, 2, 4, 0 and 3, 9, 6. Okay. Multiply them. I think so. B dash, A dash also you'll get as 10, 27, 40 and 102. Okay. Done. Let's see the next question. Now here, this question is not for much for KCT, but for understanding part. Okay. It can be varied answer. A is equal to, we have taken 3, 5 and B is given as 7 and 3. Okay. Now they're telling that find a matrix C such that AC is equal to BC. Okay. So for AC, what is the order of A? 1 row and 2 columns. So 1 cross 2. It has to be something 2 cross, let's say some other element Y, we don't know. And that is equal to BC. So B is also 2 cross 1. Correct. Sorry, 1 cross 2, 1 row, 2 column. And C also has to be 2 cross 5. Correct. So let's say for the first case, we are taking that C is to be what is it, 2 cross 1. So we can take X and Y element. Okay. And we can solve AC. So A into C will be nothing but 3, 5 and 2 rows, 1 column. So it will be XY like this, XY. So we'll get the first equation, 3X plus 5Y. And if you solve, if you solve BC, you will get 7, 3 and XY. So that is equal to 7X plus 3Y. And if you equate this, you will get an equation like 4X equal to 2Y. So basically Y is equal to 2X. So if you substitute, you will get X by 2X. Now you will say, what if we have taken a big one because there was no condition on Y? Why to take one only? You can take more. Yeah, you can take bigger ones. You can take like 2 cross 1. You can take 2 cross 2. Anything whichever you will take, it will be a varied answer, 2 cross 3. Okay, we can keep going on. Okay. So there is no difficulty, but the process is simple like this. Okay. So in exam, for it to come, they'll give you some extra conditions so we can solve it out. Let's see the next question, student. Okay. What we have, a very simple, this one we won't be solving much. What you have to do, multiply AB first and then multiply with C. And then you have to check A and then multiply BC first and then multiply with C. So what I'll do, I'll just give you the answer since it is simple only. In exam, we'll do option checking, so don't worry on that. So the answer here is 13090. Okay, and you should get the same thing here, 13090. So pause the video, solve it. Okay. Now what about this AB plus C? And that is equal to AB plus AC. So here also you will be getting somewhere around minus, 7, 5, minus 5 and minus 4, minus 10. Okay. So we are providing the solution that this is the answer so that you can check whether you have done right or wrong. Okay. Just a very simple question. Okay. Now next question here, again, same thing, student. Okay. Nothing different. So we are leaving as homework to you all. Okay. Do it and put answer on the comment section. Put answer in the comment section. Okay. So let's see who gets the correct answer. Very simple. Okay. Do it fast. Try to do it in like 1 minute. Okay. Let's see your matrix multiplication. Okay. How fast it is. Now next question, student. 14.1. Very simple. What they have given, A, you have to show that A transpose and then transpose is equal to A. Very simple. It is fully correct. So A is equal to what? 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 4. So what are you going to do? A transpose, I'm going to show you. A transpose means take the first column, make it into row. Okay, 0, 4. Second column, make it again into row, minus 1, 3. Third column, make it again into row, 2 minus 4. Done. So this is A transpose. Then again do the transpose of that. So we'll end up getting 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 2 and minus 4. Okay. Same thing for AB whole transpose also you can do it. Same thing. Okay. Now we'll put the answer for you all. Okay. So the answer will be somewhere around, what do you say? If you transpose it, you'll get 3, 11, 9 and minus 15. Okay. So you should get this answer by doing B dash A, B transpose, A transpose also. You'll get something like this. Okay. Now last part, student, that is important. We'll just show you the last part. K into A. What does it mean? In matrix multiplication, whenever we multiply a scalar with a matrix, each and every element is multiplied. So 0, minus K, 2K, 4K, 3K and minus 4K. Okay. So this is this. Now transpose it. So what are you gonna get? 0, 4K, minus K, 3K, 2K, minus 4K. Correct? Done. Solve it. You will get the answer. Check the other part also. Okay. First transpose it and then multiply with K. You will get the exact same thing. Now the 15th question, sorry. The 15th question here, what they have given? You have to show that A transpose A and A transpose are both symmetric matrices for any value of K. Means irrespective of A, it is symmetric. Okay. So let's see how we do. Take this whole thing as P. So this whole thing I have taken as P. Now do P transpose. Very simple. So A transpose A whole transpose. So we know reversal law. So this A will come first. So A transpose into A transpose whole transpose. So what do you got? A transpose and A transpose is what? A only. So same thing. Whether it is A symmetric or skew symmetric we got without using the property. Okay. Now same thing for A transpose. Take it as Q. Do the Q transpose. So what you will get? A transpose whole transpose. So this will come first. This A transpose. So A transpose into A transpose. So what do you got? A for this one and then A transpose. Same thing. Clear? So doesn't matter what do you say? Whether A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Okay. They'll all both be symmetric matrices only. Next question here. Very simple. A bit of trigo we need. Okay. So A is equal to already given cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Now we have to square it. Multiply with one more A square will be what? Cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. So multiplication we all know, correct? First row, first column will give me the first element. So what is it? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. And first row, second. So cos theta, sin theta plus again cos theta sin theta. Okay. Now same thing here. What will happen? Minus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay. And here again, if I do this row and this minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So if you remember the formula, cos 2 theta is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta, and sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. If you remember the formula, trigo formula, will be reaching very fast trigo. So trigo formulas are very important. It should be on your fingertips. Okay. So directly you can write cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Okay. And the answer is done. Next question. Find the inverse by elementary row. We won't do elementary row and all that because in exam for KCT part, we don't need elementary row. We'll remember the formula or we'll do option checking. So what is the formula? If A matrix we have as A, B, C and D. So A inverse will be nothing but 1 by AD minus BC into, we do the adjoint part, change the, diagonal, change the principal diagonal and interchange the sign of the off diagonal. Okay, now this is the answer. So by that way, what is the, inverse of first one? So we'll get answer as 7 minus 3, 5, 1. We have interchange divided by 22. Okay, and for the second one, do check that det A, you will see that it is equal to 0. So inverse doesn't exist. Inverse doesn't exist. Why? Because I can see 1 into 6 minus 2 into minus 3. Correct. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0, student. Okay. So inverse is not possible. Coming to the next part, A is equal to given this and 1, 5, 7, 12. B is given as 9, 7, 1, 8. We have to show that 3A plus 5B plus 2C is a null matrix. Okay, that is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh no, you don't have to show, you have to find C such that this is a null matrix. So very easy. So 2C is equal to null matrix minus what do you say? 3A plus 5B. So basically it is 2C is nothing but half of minus half of 3A plus 5B. So first find what is 3A, find 5B, and then directly you can get the answers to it. Nothing is there in this question. I'll put the answer for you. So do solve it. If you have doubt, do tell me, okay? So minus 24, 28, minus 10 and minus 38, okay? Now in the comment section, do tell me if you got the correct answer for this or not. Question number 18, okay? If not, do tell us. We'll try to solve it, okay? We'll solve it and show it. 19th one, very simple. A is given as cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So what they're telling, show that A inverse is equal to A transpose. So we know how to find the A inverse, correct? A inverse is equal to what? The formula will apply 1 by cos square alpha, get the determinant, plus sin square is alpha. So we already know this into this, minus this into this, into interchange the leading, so same thing, so nothing changed. And here just minus sign will change. Sin alpha, okay? So we got basically this because this is equal to 1 only, correct? Now A transpose, if we do, you'll see it is what do you say, cos alpha. This row becomes cos alpha, sin alpha, becomes first column. This one, what do you say, second column, cos alpha. So both are same. So irrespective of alpha means all values of alpha will satisfy. Means whatever the value of alpha you give, doesn't matter. Okay, the A inverse will always be equal to A transpose for this case. Okay. Let's see the 28th one. They have given that A and B are square matrices of same order. So A and B both are square matrix, okay, and what of same order. Now they are given that B is Q symmetric. What is given? B is Q symmetric. So B transpose equal to what? Minus B, correct. Now what do you have to show? A transpose B, A transpose. I have given this in the formula section in the concept video. So if you want, go and watch there. Directly you can use the formula. Or if not, you can just transpose and check it. So transpose it, okay. So the moment you transpose, student, what will come? This A will come first, so A transpose. Then the middle B, B transpose into A transpose, then whole transpose, correct. So A transpose, you can write like this. B transpose is what, student? Minus B. So minus B into A, correct. So we got the same thing and we got minus. So it is what? Q. That's it. Clear? Next question. Now this part of the question, I think so. Okay, it got misprint 004 it is. Now what you can see that, what do you say? One diagonal is there and the rest two diagonal is not there. So it is not a diagonal matrix. A unit, no, one is not, what do you say? 4 is there, so not unit. Now is it a square matrix? 3 rows, 3 columns, so square matrix, nothing is there. Total number of possible matrices of order 3 cross 3. So for a 3 cross 3, how many elements are there, student? 9 elements are there, okay? Total 9 elements. Now for each element, what are the options that we have? Either we can write a 2 or a 0. So 2 options we have. So 2 options, how many times? 9 times. So 2 power 9 is how much? 512. That is the answer. Okay. So if they would have given 3 options, like let's say 2, 0 and 1. So it will be 3 power 9. Same thing. Clear? Nothing more than that. Okay. We'll learn this in more details in PNC, permutation and combination section. Let's see 23rd. 23rd, what we have is, they have given if this one is equal to, so equality of matrices. So directly we'll do 2x plus y is equal to 7 and 5x minus, what do you say? Oh, we can do more faster if I take this and this. So 4x is equal to x plus 6. So 3x is equal to 6, x equal to 2. You can do it mentally also. Okay, no need to do like calculation and all that stuff. I'm just for the sake of showing I'm doing it. Okay. So, and then let's see the next part. So 4x is equal to 7y minus 13. So 8 is equal to 7y minus 13. So that's it. 21 is equal to 7y, y is equal to 3. So we got the answer 2 and 3. So then B option. Let's see the next question. So what is given? A and B are two matrices. A is of the order 3 cross m and B is of the order 3 cross m. So, and m is equal to n. M is equal to n. So in order for 5a minus 2b. Now we know addition, students, addition and subtraction of matrices can only be done if they are of same order. If they are of same order. Correct. So 3 cross m has to be same as to 3 cross n. So directly we can say we got it as m equal to n. And it is already given also. So what is the order of this? So it will be 3 cross n any or 3 cross m. So since m cross 3 is there, so not 3 cross 3, we don't know the value. M cross n, no. 3 cross n is the correct answer. Okay. Because it should be of the same order. Next question. Again, it is to construct, very simple. Okay. And then you have to construct in such a way that if I and j, they are not equal. Okay. So let's say a11. So here they are equal. So when they are equal, a of ij, that is equal to 0 when I is equal to z, when I is equal to j. So whenever they are equal, you just put 0. So in this case, 0 here, 0 here. And whenever they are not equal, you put 1. So 1 here, a12, because I and j are not equal. A21, you put 1 here. Okay. So if you square this one, basically 0, 1, 1, 0. So what you will get, student? Pretty simple. If you square it, you will get an identity matrix. Okay. Square it and see it. You will get 1, 0, 0, 1. This into this will be 1. Okay. Now, then this into this will be 0. Okay. So you can check it easily. Okay. Identity matrix. Next part, what we have is the matrix. This is identity, symmetric, skew, or none of these. So if you see, diagonal elements are there, non-diagonal is not there. So is it symmetric? Let's check it out. Is it symmetric? No, not symmetric. If you do transpose, it will be entirely different. Correct. Now, is it identity? No. Directly we can say identity, it is not there. One is not there. For the symmetric part, okay. Now let's see it again. Now first thing is it identity matrix? That we are sure it is not there. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 4. So if we do a transpose of this, first row will become first column 1, 0, 0. Second row, second column, okay, 0, 2, 0. And third row, third column, so 0, 0, 4. So it's symmetric, student. Okay, directly answer symmetric. The matrix this, again we have to, so we can see that all the leading diagonal elements are 0. So what we can say directly, skew symmetric. Okay, we don't have, even if you transpose it, you will get minus of this. Okay, so you can do it and check it. Okay. Now, next, this question we have already done and we have put up in the concept video also. So A and B are of same order. We have to find AB transpose minus BA transpose. What it will be? Directly transpose it, student. Nothing is there. Okay. So what you will get, AB transpose whole transpose minus BA transpose whole transpose. So this B will come first, reversal law. So B transpose transpose A minus A transpose transpose B. So what we got? BA minus AB. Sorry, B transpose A transpose. Correct. So BA transpose minus AB transpose. Take a minus common. So what will get? AB transpose minus BA transpose. So what is it? It is skew symmetric. Okay. 29th one, for any two matrices, it can be AB equal to BA, it can be AB not equal to BA, AB can be equal to 0, it can be none of these also. So here we are not sure. So the main answer will be none of these because we don't have any conditions. Two matrices are there, they can be equal. AB can be, there can be matrices where AB equal to BA. There can be times where AB is not equal to BA. There can be times where you multiply AB and you are able to generate a 0 matrix. Okay, so none of these. Okay. So let's see this question. On the 30th question, whenever you have elementary column operation you have to perform, and that is equal to C2, column 2 is equal to column 2 minus twice of column 1. So if you can see, this is of the form AX, X is equal to what? AB. So whenever it is of the form X is equal to AB, we perform the operation on X and on B of the product AB. Okay. Don't perform it here also. Okay. So that is the most important. So you have to perform on X and B. Okay. So we have to apply on the first and third matrices. First and third matrices, we have to apply the operations. Okay. Clear? So in the first one, if I apply, what I'll get? If you see 1, 2, this will remain same. Column 2 is equal to, so minus 3 and 4, minus 2 times of 1 and minus 2 times of 2. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 and 0. And this will be same as it is 1, minus 1, 0, 1. And if you see 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5, 2, 0 is this one. This is not possible, not possible. 1 minus 5, 2, 0. And here there is a change in the second one. So this also not possible. Directly answer will be this. Nothing more than that. Okay. So you just have to do this. You don't even have to do the last part also. That's it. If you have any doubt, do put it in the comment section. Join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description. We'll be sharing the PDFs and all things, and we'll be bringing the videos in a much faster rate. Thank you all.